Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use the drying function on the Ariston Thermo ARMF125 washer dryer. This can seem a little confusing at first, but it is actually very simple once you know the steps. Let's get right into it. The most important rule for using a washer dryer is managing your load size. This machine can wash more clothes than it can dry effectively. For the best drying results, you should only dry a small load. A good rule of thumb is to fill the drum about halfway. This allows hot air to circulate properly and dry everything evenly. If you overload it, your clothes will come out damp and wrinkled. Now, let's look at the controls. You will see a main dial for selecting your wash programs and several buttons. The button we need is the drying button. It usually has a symbol that looks like a sun or a spiral with heat waves. This is your key to all drying functions. Let's cover how to add a drying cycle to your wash. First, load your small batch of clothes and add detergent. Then, turn the main dial to your desired wash program, like cottons or synthetics. Before you press start, press the drying button. The display will light up with drying options. You can press the button multiple times to cycle through the choices. You might see an option for iron dry, which leaves clothes slightly damp and perfect for ironing. Another option is covered dry, which gets them fully dry and ready to be put away. Some models also let you select a timed dry. You can choose a specific time, like 40, 60, or 120 minutes. Once you have selected your preferred drying setting, simply press the main start button. The machine will complete the wash cycle and then automatically begin the drying cycle you selected. But what if you only want to dry clothes that are already wet? This is called a dry-only cycle. To do this, first load your damp clothes into the drum, remembering not to overfill it. Turn the machine on. Turn the main program dial to a dedicated drying program, often marked with the same sun symbol. If your dial doesn't have a specific drying program, you can select a simple spin cycle. Then, press the drying button to activate the drying function and select your desired dryness level or time, just as we did before. Make sure the spin speed is set to 0 if you are not intending to spin the clothes again. Press start, and the machine will begin drying. When the cycle is finished, the door will unlock after a brief cooling period. Open the door carefully as the drum and your clothes will be very hot. It is best to remove the clothes immediately to prevent wrinkles from setting in. They might feel slightly damp from the steam, but just give them a good shake and they will feel dry in a minute or two. So there you have it, a complete guide to drying your clothes with the Ariston ARMF125. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support allows us to create more helpful guides for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.